Point is the first point of the kidney meridian to be called as a Yung Chuan. So that point is located on the sole of the foot and midway between the second and third toe in the depression, and anteriorly 1/3 and posteriorly 2/3. In the depression the point is located, that point to be called as a K1. Right, so this K1 point is on the sole of the foot, especially among the whole, as per the macro acupuncture or the original acupuncture points, on the sole of the foot only one point is located. That point to be called as a, no doubt it is a wood point, but it is the direct communicating earth point of the K1, it to be considered as a K1 as well, because of that is touching to the earth. Even barefoot, when you are walking on the grass, on the road or on the soil, so that point to be activated regularly to regulate our liver system as well. When the liver is abundantly good, and certainly our CNS also good, our brain physiology also good, no doubt this acupuncture point is a great point. And also this is a Jingwell point, and also this point to be called as a is an emergency point for the life saving, one of the life saving point. So that indicates when you just insert the needle in this particular region, so that communicating to the hepatic organ. From the hepatic it goes to the CNS. Due to that reason this point to be called as the adrenergic effect. That means instantly that energy going and reaching to the brain to give the alertness to the patient that you are the consciousness to bring that as a resuscitation. When the person is get unconsciousness, in order to improve that energy, so this point certainly one among certain points. So this point is the key point to treat for any kind of the shock, coma, drowning, or kind of the collapse. So that condition we activate this point. I told you the CPR test to be done. That method also good, but at the same time you just have the finger or nail or kind of the matchstick or toothpick or the needle. You just insert this particular point and he'll shake the leg and also open the eyes slowly. So that indicates that is the adrenergic effect. So therefore always you remember when the resuscitation to be taken place for activating the any kind of the adrenergic effect in our body, then you remember that point to be called as a K1. At the same time it is the emergency point not only for the alertness and also for the kidney malfunction. Even in order to activate the kidney function, so certainly you can use one point, that point to be called as a kidney 1. So at the same time as per the TCM principle, the top diseases can be treatable down and down diseases can be treatable on the top. So headache can be treatable by activating the liver 3 and liver 2 points, and the liver 3 once you activate the touching to the kidney 1. So that's the reason when kidney 1 you are activating, that you are touching towards the Tai Chung, that is the liver 3. So therefore anything the head related diseases can be treatable by activating K1 and liver 3 point. In the similar way, in the top diseases treatable down, and down diseases can be treatable on the top. In this way this point also really good to treat for the homeostasis of the kidney function as well. When you activate this point, certainly this you are slowly activating to the, since this point to be called as a sun point, sedative point and depletion point of the kidney. At the same time the point is as a Putial point or the Jingwell point. So Jingwell point indicates that is for emergency. It is the emergency of the kidney system as well. At the same time excessive energy is accumulated in the kidney, so that also gets sedated, and that energy to be corresponding to the liver system. Therefore the liver and kidney axis to be taken place by activating this one point. So therefore this only one point is good point. When there is a retention of the urination is there, the kidneys are not passing the urination well through the urethra, even there is a distension or swelling in the pedal edema, even that condition as well. Of course this point also good to treat for the plantar fasciitis, and also related to the digitoral nerves, plantar digitoral nerves, if there is the weakness, so that get the coldness or numbness, or the patient doesn't feel kind of the neuropathic condition due to the diabetic neuropathy. Even this condition also certainly you can use this point. Whenever you wanted to use this point, always you remember that the hygienic to be taken place while piercing the needle. That means is the, please you just properly you just clean that point. That always is good before inserting the needle. The needle should be sterilized. The place should be sterilized properly, because of this place is non-hygienic, because of we walk in generally, so that time lot of unhygienic things has been accumulated over there. Try to clean it properly and then insert the needle. When you insert the needle, in one shot you insert the needle, that trigger to your brain. Therefore, the kidney and brain axis to be taken place by activating the kidney 1 point. So therefore, you remember when there is an interaction each other both the axis, then always you just activate this point. At the same time is the digitoral nerves. When the plantar fascia or there is a problem in the tendons is in the sole of the foot, even that condition also can be treatable. When you look at this point is located anterior 1/3 and posterior 2/3, where exactly this particular area can be treatable by activating. When there is the numbness is there, when there is the neuropathic condition in this particular point, even that condition also can be treatable. At the same time, when this problem is there, don't forget to treat for the area which we call as the L4 and L5 region. L4 L5 nerve which is communicating to the which we call as a medial plantar region, and the lateral plantar region is regulated by the sural nerve, that is S1 and S2 can be taken care. When there is the heel pain, the patient is suffering for the calcaneal whisper or calcaneal heel pain, so that are related to the tibial nerve. When the tibial nerve gets a deficiency, that causes the problem of the heel pain. So therefore you just treat for the tibial nerve, so that is from the spine is essential by activating to the L3 L4 L5. So especially the L5 S1 is good, or you can activate L4 L5 for the tibial nerve is recommended. The whole area, when the sole of the foot is very weak, then you understand anything the neuropathic condition, always you remember L4 L5 S1 S2. These are the nerves are very much essential to regulating the foot, anything related to the foot concepts. But however, the great point is which we call as a K1 always is good to treat for the numerous diseases related to the kidneys, which I told you the major physiology. What are the physiology? All the physiology to be taken place by activating single point, that point to be called as a Yung Chuan, that is as a K1. Right, it is the really good point to treat. Even the reflexology, foot reflexology, the maximum foot massages, they focus this particular point. They start pointing this one point in generally, and then it ascends. Of course, no doubt, the whole foot, how the correspondence of the hand is, all the whole body system is accumulated on the palms. At the same time, in the similar way, the whole body organs also accumulated in the sole of the foot also. So when you treat and walk continuously on the rough and the soil and then mud and then grass, white grass, always you are activating to the kidney 1 point also. When you wanted to use this only one particular point, and there are a lot of foot massages are there and foot mats are there, even you can stand over that region. So certainly you can stand, walk slowly, and even neuropathic condition should be very careful, that should not damage the skin. Even sometimes diabetic neuropathy doesn't feel any sensation, and later on period that develops in the form of abscess. That should not be. So however, even for that condition, neuropathic conditions, always is good to walk on the green grass in the naturally, not the artificial grass. So therefore then they keep walking that slowly, it elevates the photosynthesis, it increases the growth of the cells within that, nourishing to the connectivity of the one neuron to other neuron. There is a people who are suffering for the neuropathic condition, the interaction between the one neuron to other neuron does get disconnected, and there is no electrical process, is conductive system is not taken place, which leads to this problem. So therefore, however, you need to activate for the neuropathic activities, then you focus on the central nervous system, you focus on the scalp system. There is a scalp point areas which we call as a foot motor sensory area on the top of the vertex of the head. There are the 3 centimeter long. You just insert the needle close to the parallel to the pai hui du 20 points, and then focus that this area, and also focus on the lower foot area and focus on the spine area. Certainly you can treat for numerous diseases related to the sole of the foot. Anything can be related, nothing to worry what kind of the disease. Certainly you can able to manage and treat any kind of the sole of the foot, can be treatable successfully.